Hello, Dr. Casella here. In this video, I'll talk about stack diagrams. Stack diagrams can be useful if you're talking about relatively simple recursive functions. In this case, I'm going to talk about the countdown function that I had created on the previous slide, and I'll show you what I mean by stack diagrams. So the first part of the stack is the module. So that's basically the main part of the program before you even enter the function. So in this case, let's look at this first column of information. So in here, what I had done is I had created a variable named Jerry, and I assigned it the value of 3. And so that's within module. So within the module, I gave Jerry the value 3. Right? Then I ran the countdown function, and I inserted for the argument Jerry. So countdown of Jerry. And so the definition of the countdown function takes n as an argument. That's a dummy argument. It's only recognized within the function here. That's a local variable. I'll talk more about that later. But for now, so Jerry is inserted into the function. So n is going to take on the value of Jerry. Okay, this n will take on the value of Jerry, but Jerry was given the value of 3. So n is effectively 3. Then the countdown. Then I run the countdown function. Well, if it's 3, then that condition isn't met, that condition isn't met, the else condition is only met. So it's going to print 3, but then it's going to call itself, and that's the point of this stack diagram, is to see how many times the function's calling itself. So in here, I've got countdown of n minus 1. So I had inserted a 3. So now I'm inserting n minus 1 in for n. And so it's going to n minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So now I'm calling countdown, but now with the number 2. All right? Then this condition is met, that condition isn't met, and so 2 comes in here. And then I call countdown again with the number 1, because 2 minus 1 is 1. So then it goes in here, that condition's not met, that condition's not met. It's going to run here again, and this time it's going to call countdown again, but with the number 0, because 1 minus 1 is 0. And so we're down here. Now, when it calls countdown with the number 0, this condition is not met, but this condition is. And at that n equals 0, it's going to print blast off and then be done. It's not calling itself anymore. And so it ended. So this is a stack diagram showing you how the function keeps calling itself and how it will eventually get to an end and not last forever. Okay, well, that's all. Bye for now.